Let's put this closer here. Let's see what it is. It's a nice 80s, 80, 81, 81 degrees. So today I'm going to plant some of the seeds, garden seeds I bought like a few months ago. I bought this over the winter time at a sale, and that I bought last month. So let's go and plant these seeds right here. That's the garden bed I extended a little bit, and it's fully prepared for me to I don't know if it's fully prepared, but it's ready for me to plant some seeds. I got some soil. All of that is made up of old wood I had sitting under the tree over there. That tree. So I didn't buy anything crazy brand new. So let's go. Let's plant the seeds. We are still in May, and so we still have some time. Oh, they do recommend spreading this when the last frost, and I don't know what the last frost is. All I know is that it's getting to be warm, and so let me see if I can plant them today. But today I came home and I saw this on here, which obviously my wife did. She loves to do that every year. She waits until I clean up everything, and then she does her thing. So I guess it's the beginning of the season. I usually like to wait until after Memorial Day, which is the unofficial start of summer. But my wife, as soon as it's warm outside, she comes outside and she starts her barbecue. Okay, so let's just spread the seeds, man. See what happens with that. Let's spread the seeds. Let me speak a little Creole. Jodi je mwen sorti de wo pou mwen koumansé planté kawòt. Mwen kay mette gwenn kawòt la asou morceau terre la pou ti jade pou yo sa profite. Mwen te gen se gwenn kawòt sa plis ki 2 mois ou 3 mois passé. Ça c'était en novembre. Il était resté là parce qu'il était trop fouette pour moi ça planter, mais on presque il était là. Et comme ça aujourd'hui on peut planter. Peut-être qu'il est levé, qu'il profiter. Oh ben il pas qu'il profiter pièce, on pas savent. Et c'est pour chimo gagner autant gwenn. Ok, 2 packs gwenn. Kay usine, pas usine, mais kay spread. Kay mette, c'est un bon temps avant mon planter carotte tout ça, mais ça c'est pas mes année mon faire ça. Après ça, moi qui prends Rick là, je mets ça tiens, je mets un petit bois à souille. Puis là, c'est là moi qui planter chouponm. Ça c'est première année moi qui planter chouponm. On nous planter tout mettre chouponm là. Let's plant the cabbage, chouponm. Okay. Let's plant the sunflower seeds. I'll just transplant them after they grow. We'll plant the sunflower là. Yeah. Where did they plant the others? Okay. Whatever. Okay, so let's do that. Let's just plant the seeds a little bit better than that. No organization whatsoever. Once they start growing, I will transplant. Look at transplantee. Okay. Let's do that before the birds come and try to eat it. On nous planter comme ça parce que ou pas jamais savent qui ton gros zozio qui vient là et puis manger gwenn sunflower. On oublie non sunflower en créole. Ok, allez regarder qui ça y est. Qui ça mou aille pour. All right, man. Oh, my nose is leaking. Oh my God, there's so much pollen out here. So let's see what happens in about, say, a month or two, and I'll give you an update. Let's just spread this thing like this. Yeah, I don't need a rake. And already this all right, let's just spread it a little bit. Yeah, my style. Don't be doing this, do it the right way. I don't care. It's just for decoration. Pas fait ça mon café ya parce que ça c'est pour décoration. Pas que OK manger kawòt qui ga levé dans la week. And if you can see, there's some carrots growing from the last time I spread some seeds. Okay. All right, folks. Tomorrow is gonna rain, and let's see what happens in about a week or two. Do yo simen, de simen, non, de mesa di kale koumansé, l'applica koumansé tobe. And check my lovely plants out. This is a brand new plants I bought. So I still got some more plants to buy. I got lots more plants to buy. Ça c'est bel plant fleur. Mwen genye, mwen yi dot pou genye. Mwen yi les autres plats pou genye là. Bon. Ça on y pour fleur itale et puis regardez yo bien. Là mon vieux encore. Peut-être que vini gros, ça m'a gagné. C'était $10 pour ça. So that the one I got on sale for like $10. And the next time we come back, we're gonna see what the flowers look like. See the bed, flower bed and everything. Okay, so the next time I come back, I'm going to catch up on where I left off. I don't know if my camera is straight. So I had cut this tree down last time, and it's still there a week later. And let's see what happens to it. I'm gonna sharpen the chainsaw blade, and then cut it up. Mwen ni pou kwen mwen ka di sharpen chen li go in la pou mwen sa koupe sa pou mwen se bois sa mwen te koupe pi bois la denye fwa. Ale gade video si ou pa te mwen maka koupe. Mwen ni pou kwen ka di file. Mwen ni pou file chen li go in la pou mwen sa koupe bois. Ou be mwen ke pon rachot epi koupe. Ou be kout la même. Okay, so that's about it. Let me wrap up here and go get myself some barbecue. Ça dit pour mon fini là. Yo di jo de si de vle kal fe la pikay tobe. Comme ça m'ka préparer pour aller à de kay moi là. Okay, so let me secure my old buggy, my old Jeep, and let me head on inside. Oh no, I'm gonna head onto the deck to wait for some food. Barbecue. I guess summer officially begins, huh? All right, my Jeep is secure. Let's go on back up there and call it a day. Looking nice. This deck I just used random pieces of board. It looks nice to me. It looks nice. Garden. Let's see. This thing is almost ready. Okay. I think it's done. Anyway, that's it. Adieu. Donc, il fait une vidéo encore si moi ça fait des messieurs de vrai.